You can build your own asteroid tracker using CircuitPython and a round TFT display. This project uses the NASA Sentry and Close Approach Objects API to display an asteroid's name, date, predicted distance from the Moon and Earth, and Earth impact percentage. The QtPy ESP32S3 drives a 1.28-inch round TFT display and features 2 MB of PS RAM. The iSpy BFF add-on board makes it easy to connect a TFT display to any QtPy or Xiao dev board. The CircuitPython code gets data from the NASA Sentry and Close Approach Objects APIs. It uses custom bitmap images and fonts to display a cute image of the Earth and animates an asteroid whizzing by every few seconds. We think this makes for a cool IoT demo that shows how to use animated bitmaps and dynamic data on a round TFT display. This is all you need to build this project. You can find links and a full tutorial at learn.adafruit.com. You can 3D print the parts to build the snap fit enclosure using your favorite PLA filament. A set of short matching headers make it easy to connect the QtPy to the iSpy BFF. A medium-length ribbon cable connects the iSpy BFF to the 1.28-inch round TFT display. The display features 2 mounting holes that make it easy to secure the PCB to the 3D printed enclosure. A right-angled USB connector makes it easy to access the USB-C port on the QtPy while it's secured inside the 3D printed case. We hope this inspires you to check out CircuitPython and Adafruit's round TFT display for your next IoT project.